This video is not sponsored, and I hope they will actually send me a hair because I'm actually promoting their business. Okay, this spray is very strong. If you spray it, you're not allowed to dry very well. You're not tie it down. It's good. It's good. It's gone. Got to be gives white residue. It's how the factory made frontal. Oh my goodness. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Touch of Mercy. I know you're surprised to see me like this. I mean, who is this?
It's my life. Lazy, 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 lazy. It's my life. I got dirty, 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 dirty. It's my life.
Yeah, I hope you guys like this video. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
Don't play with me, oh. If you see what is behind this backdrop, if you see what is behind this backdrop, you will say, wow, Mercy, you're a genius. And that's on her, okay? Don't try me. My blood is hot.
Hey guys, welcome back. I'm just going to go straight into this video. I'm laying my edges with the got to be hair wax. I'm going to be doing a glueless frontal because honestly, like, I don't like wearing my wigs to like sleep. I just once I get back, I just take it out. Even if I want to like leave my frontal wigs on, probably for like a day or two, because I mean it's not that deep. So I don't really like bleaching the knot of my frontal because I mean I don't know. I just know how to manipulate it myself, so I don't like to bleach my frontal knot. As you can see, the knot is black. The knot is black. Even the lace is too bright, so I'm going to be tinting it with my foundation. Okay, so in the place of my lace tint, if most times it gets finished quickly, so I like get my foundation just to replace it. So I'm just going to put a few pumps, dab it with my brush, and I put it on the lace. I just fold it inside out like this, and I start. I see the difference. So yeah, this is how it looks like inside. This is the part I have tinted, but I have not. You can see there's a clear difference. Now I'm going to put it on my hair so you guys can actually see how it looks like. I have a video on how I trimmed this hair. I'm going to put it up somewhere on a description box so you guys can go watch how to cut your hair into a short bob. As you can see now, this is how it looks like. Guys, I don't like cutting my lace on my head, so I don't know, should I try it? Should I try it and see how it looks like? I think I should. This is a glueless installation. Don't forget, I'm not going to be using any kind of glue. I'm only going to be using a melting spray. The melting spray I'll be using is the Ebin melting spray. This spray is very strong. If you spray it, you're not allowed to dry very well. You're not tie it down. It's good. It's good. It's gone. I don't think I prefer it to got to be. Honestly, yeah, got to be is good, but I don't know. I prefer the Ebin Wonder. Like, what guys? What do you think? Have you used got to be? Have you used Ebin Wonder? Which one do you like think works best? Because got to be gives white residue. I've noticed that it gives white residue when you spray it on the lace and you dry it down and you tie it. It gives white residue. Even on bridal hair, if I use got to be on bridal hair, I don't know why, but the residue it gives is very very bad. Rather, The Ebin Wonder spray doesn't have white residue, to be honest, because even if it has a little bit, it comes up very easily. So yeah, I will take the Ebin Wonder melting spray to the got to be, because I mean got to be works for probably a little bit of hold, but yeah, Ebin Wonder works for me. I use the both for consecutive times, but I would rather take Ebin Wonder to got to be. So let me know, guys, what do you think? Do you think you prefer using got to be or Ebin Wonder? I've already cut off the ear tab, so it sits very well. Even if I tuck my ear, it sits very, very well. Even this other side, because the way some people wig frontal, do not say it's glueless. Meanwhile, you can't actually lay the ear like this. I'm like, especially factory made frontal. Oh my goodness. Factory made wigs are like the worst. I will show you guys what a factory made frontal wig looks like, that you actually have to do much work on it. Let me show you guys. So this is how factories actually wig their frontal. This is how they actually wig their frontal, because I mean, by the time I want to install, there's not enough ear tab that can come out. So what I do is I usually lose this thing. I lose this all the way like down to here, and I open up the hair, and I have to like tack it back and sew it in. It's like, if you want to see a video on that, please let me know, because I'll be happy to do that for you guys, like a fresh video on how to customize a factory made frontal wig to actually sit well on your head, and for you to actually install it even if you don't want it to be glueless. Yeah. So yeah, this year has been really good. I mean, when did January start? I don't know. I've had a couple of crazy clients, and I've had like one of the most amazing clients ever. So I'm spraying the Ebin Wonder into like a container, so it's just easier for me to apply. And I use my brush, my toothbrush. Do I want to do this? I don't want to take the risk. I don't like cutting my lace on my head, so I'm just going to remove my the frontal now, because I can't. This is how I cut off my lace. I cut it in a zigzag motion. Zigzag motion. Okay. This side, I don't know if you guys can see. Hopefully, yeah, I can see from my rear camera, rear mirror. So this is how I cut off my lace. I'm done cutting the lace. Gonna wear it on my head. I'm gonna adjust it on my head. I don't know why I'm singing. So yeah, this is it. This is it. It sits perfectly well. I don't even need to even use glue on this hair, because I mean, so it's my okay. My microphone is on. So I don't like my frontal too forward. People that their frontal are forward, they call them Pablo White. My students calls one of my students Pablo White, because our frontal is like always coming forward. And yeah, this frontal is from AliExpress. I don't know. Should I tag? Should I call them of the company, because the frontal is good, the lace is good. I don't know. They're not sponsoring this video, so I don't know if I should actually call the name of the company. But yeah, let's see. Maybe if I'm like nice by the end of the video, I might do that. Okay. This container has seen light. So I'm going to put in a generous amount of the Ebin Wonder spray. Then I'm going to using my, this is actually a makeup brush that I converted into my hair brush. Take a little bit of it and dab it on the lace. You can actually spray it like this, like you can literally spray it like this and like blow dry immediately. Like, but I don't know. I just like doing it this way because I have more control of it. So yeah, I like to do one side then move over to the other side. When I'm done with this now, I'm going to hold it, take your blow dryer and you start drying it up. Well, don't forget to put it in the inner corners of the ear tab, or rather the ear flap, whatever you want to call it. So I'm going to tuck my hair back, then sit on it like this and blow dry it. Yes, 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 yes. As you can see now, it's sitting like just once and it's gone. It's going. So I'm going to be doing that for this other side. If you are in a rush, I know that you know how glue takes time to dry up. If you are in a rush, this is the best. This is the best thing to do for yourself because I mean, it's not gonna take nothing less than 5 minutes. If your hair is already styled, it's not going to take nothing less than 5 minutes. You can only put it like this, then you place the lace on it, or you do the way I'm doing now. Do it like this, wrap it on it. It just depends on what you're going for. So I'm going to be dapping my foundation to the lace just so that it can blend a little bit. I want to clean the white residue, all these things you're seeing here are the residue from the spray. Then I'm going to tie my band down. Guys, don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Torch of Mercy. Torch of Mercy. Torch of Mercy. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Torch of Mercy. So I'm gonna tie it down. I need to pack my hair up. Torch of Mercy. Oh yes, I found a hack. I forgot. So this is what I do when like I need to like tie the band down because almost this band can make somebody's head not to function properly. This is what I do. I put it like this. I bought this in an off on AliExpress, by the way. Yeah, me and AliExpress were 5 and 6. What I do, I put it here like this. Oh, see, it's lifting. I need to add more. So I'm just going to go in again and I tie it down. I wedge it here. I wedge it here. And I tie it at the back. What I do sometimes, I press it in like this. Just so that it can sink in very well. Then I go ahead to style my hair by straightening it. Guys, hot comb got burnt again. God, what do I do? My stretcher is ready to get to work. Okay, I need to put my heat protector first. See, there's something heat protectant does, like it just tames the hair. Like I don't know how to explain it, but heat protectant actually like does a lot. I like the bob kind of curl. Waiting be this. And taking from my hair serum, just a little bit. Put it on my palm, then try to smoothen the hair. Hair serum is good because it gives the hair a bit of shine. And I'll still go in again and try to straighten it. So I don't like styling hair on myself. If I want to coil a hair, I coil it on the mannequin and install the wig. Rather than installing the wig, then coiling the hair on my head. I don't know how people do it, but I cannot do it. It's just a lot of work. It's just too stressful for me. And I cannot be thinking of installing and still like, I don't like that kind of stress. Please. So yeah, so far so good. So now I'm going to do my makeup. I don't know, should I do my makeup off camera or on camera because I haven't really done like a makeup tutorial because I don't really like too much makeup. What I do is eyebrow, eyeshadow, eyeliner, foundation, powder. I don't even know how to do blush. I don't do highlight and contour. I don't do all that. But I don't know. I'm feeling generous. So let's see if the makeup actually comes out well. You will see the tutorial. But if not, that's it. That's it. Guys, I know you're surprised seeing me like this. I mean, who is this? Yeah, I just did a transition for Instagram and YouTube shorts. So yeah, check it out when it's out. But why I came back here is more my head is headaching me. So I have to remove this band. Yeah, 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 yeah. Jesus. Oh my god. Jesus Christ. Oof. Oof. The installation is even. So guys, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. If you have not subscribed yet, I have so many videos, not just only hair. I do hair videos, DIY as well, vlogs, like anything you're interested in, please comment down below so that I can know what you guys are interested in and know what you guys would like to see on my channel. I hope this installation was easy for you. I hope you try it. If you do try it, please let me know how it goes. Let me see the flawless installation you have created. Okay. Here, this hair, the bundle is bone straight, but the frontal is a normal single drawn frontal. I got off on AliExpress, and the vendor is Upamo. This video is not sponsored by Upamo, and I hope they will actually send me a hair because I'm actually promoting their business. Okay. So yeah, I hope you guys like this video. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Love you guys. Thank you guys so much for sticking by me in 2023. Let's go hard 2024, okay? And that's on period. And yeah, thank you guys so much. Love you. Mwah. Bye. I changed my hairstyle and I changed my outfit as well, guys. Watch out for my YouTube short videos because that is where all my transition are going to be. Thank you guys once again for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.